What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today my allergies are killing me, so I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking. We're just gonna be working on this it's just a 2004 KX85, little two-stroke, crank locked up on it, and the whole bottom end and top end went out last week. So we're gonna be rebuilding it and getting her ready to go for its new owner whenever I decide to sell it. I got all the parts in today. Let me switch the camera. I'll show you guys exactly what we got, and then we'll get to work on this thing. Alrighty, so here we got the whole rebuild kit for it, just the bottom end. And then we got some gaskets for the KTM, which is right up there. Piston kit, standard bore, had to check that. Everything should be good there. This should be a flywheel cooler because I lost my last one. And what's this right here? These are gonna just be the seal for the crankshaft on the KTM. So all of that stuff's for the KTM. This is for the Cowie. We're gonna go ahead, drain the oil out of it, and then just go ahead and split cases. You gotta pull the whole clutch out. I'll probably take the KTM off the motorcycle lift and throw the motor on there with the motor stand. That should be the easiest way to go about this. So let's get right to work on this old little $375 dirt bike I picked up. Alrighty, guys, we got the motor pulled out of the old 85 right there. Now she's right here. It is a little bit crusty, but it's whatever. As you can see, this is where it blew up. Lots of play in the crank. Piston is broken. This motor is destroyed. Super crusty. I definitely should have washed it. I'm not exactly sure why I didn't, but it's too late now, so I'll just have to clean it before we put it back together. But yeah, we're gonna take off all the 8 mils off the clutch side, take that all apart, then go around the other side, put that all together, or take it all apart, split the cases, put them back together, and hopefully she'll run pretty good. Alrighty, so we got some unfortunate news. We're not gonna be able to finish the KX today, simply because my parents went on a trip, a camping trip, and they took the impact drill with them, just in case anything went wrong and to get all the little stands down for the camper. But we got the engine torn down as much as we possibly can without an impact. We need an impact to get the clutch hub out, the center one. But I'll give you guys a little garage update because a lot of you guys have been asking for them. And then I will show you guys my new truck. So if you guys didn't see that in the last video, it was a very short clip. It was like 30 seconds at the very end. So let me turn the camera around. I'll show you guys what we got in the garage. Alrighty, guys. So first up in the garage, we got this 2021 CRF 110. We will be doing a build on it soon, so stay tuned for that. Then we got the KTM 125 SX. She's pretty clapped. But we're going to be doing a full motor rebuild on it, and then we're going to do a comparison versus the KTM versus the Yamaha. On the Yamaha, it's a 2019 YZ125. Super clean. I got custom graphics on it. All that cool stuff. So she's pretty mint. Then we got this 2011, which is pretty clapped. And still needs to be cleaned up a lot more. As you can tell, that whole engine area is just pretty pretty dirty and nasty, and we might get new wheels for it because these are also very crusty and nasty. Then here are some of the not as important bikes. Here's the 85. If you guys saw us rebuild that video in the last couple videos. And then this is the 85 that we're working on today. And then let me go show you guys my new truck. Here she is. 2016 F-150 Platinum 5-liter V8. She's pretty cute. A lot of cool stuff on it, as you can tell. She is a platy. We got some limo tint on it, so you cannot see through in or out of it. Bed cover, 22-inch platinum wheels with 305s on it, so they sit pretty fat. No rust under the truck because it is from Texas. You can tell, platy. Got all the cool stuff on it. When you put your hand behind it, unlocks. Pull it, steps come out. Interior is very dirty on it, but got all the cool platinum stuff that you'd want on one. Double sunroof. Super hot in here. Apple CarPlay. Little high miles, 75K for 2016. Not too bad, but it is a 5-liter, so I mean, it should last a pretty good time. Fully loaded, has every single little option, 360 cameras, all that cool stuff. I've already been driving it a lot. Massage leather seats. Come in the back. We could probably fit a pit bike in here or two when you fold up these rear seats. So we'll probably do that in a video as a joke. But yeah, she's pretty crisp. Got the front end color matched. It's got the cool Raptor style headlights, platinum grille with the camera on the front. Centerpiece is color matched, and then it's got the bumper things on each side, but that comes standard on a platy. Overall, pretty nice truck. Can't complain, but yeah, the old Tacoma will be gone sometime soon. She did its job, got me around with no issues, but time for something a little cooler. Let me know in the comments what I should do. 6-inch lift on 35s or just like a 3-inch leveling kit with like 33s. Should I go more off-road style or street princess style? Not exactly sure. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Was this a good upgrade or a downgrade? I think it was pretty good. I mean, can't go wrong with an old Platinum F-150, but then that thing's gonna run to 300K miles. So, I mean, there's a little trade-off. Flex fuel, so we can run E85, get to the dirt bikes a little quicker. But yeah, if you guys want to see a build series on this, let me know. I could definitely do something cool. Maybe do a couple little engine mods or just cosmetic. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see the next one, probably gonna go ride some dirt bikes. So yeah, if you guys want to see the next video, let me know what you guys want to see. Maybe a comparison video between the two if we can get the bottom end rebuilt on this thing, or just ride the 125. But yeah, a lot of stuff coming out soon. Just kind of busy recently, and allergies have been killing me, so sorry if I've been sniffing through the whole video and if my voice sounds kind of weird, but allergies have just been killing me recently out here. But I still need to get these videos out every Tuesday and Thursday. So if you guys like the video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.